Hello everyone, today I did a review of another Swedish knife from EKA, but now it's a folding knife model Swede 10. As usual, let's start with the sheath. It is black genuine leather, smells nice, I like that smell, brass latch with the inscription Eskilstuna EKA Sweden, the belt loop is hard plastic, the stitching is even, simple, really good quality sheath. Now we come to the knife. Total length 21 centimeters, blade length 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.8 millimeters, blade material is Sandvik 12C27. This is a Swedish stainless steel, very good quality. A few impurities, the same steel as in the cord blade W9. Scandi grind with micro edge. On the blade you can see embossed EKA Sweden Sandvik 12C27. Handle, Proflex scales, it's an oil-resistant rubber, black color, but you can also find it in orange or bubinga wood. Fits perfectly in the hand, even sweaty or wet. Even though it's a rubber, it has no smell of its own and doesn't trap other smells. I cut onion, garlic, scraped fish and no smell. The design allows for effortless maintenance and cleaning, very good water tolerance due to the materials it is made of, no rust, rot, decay, cracks, stainless steel sleeve for cord. You can see the company logo on the handle. Backlock holds very securely, no blade play. Main axis screw for flat blade screwdriver, but you can also use a small coin if you have a need. In summary, I can recommend this knife to anyone who likes simplicity, solidity, minimalism and reliability in folding knives. It's a very well made, no flaws. The mechanics of the knife work very well. It keeps its sharpness for quite a long time. I use it for light work. It's a great, just a Swedish quality. You can be sure that it won't disappoint you. Also available in a smaller version, Swede 8, if someone prefers smaller knives and saving some perimeters. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.